Once upon a time in a lush, vibrant forest, there lived a gentle bear known for her love of hibernation. Her name was Bear, and each year, as the days grew shorter and the air turned chilly, Bear would retreat to her snug cave to sleep through the winter months. One particularly cold winter, a fierce snowstorm blew through the forest, stirring the woodland creatures to seek refuge. The biting wind drove a curious little rabbit, a chatty squirrel, a clever fox, and a wise old owl to find solace within the mouth of Bear's cave. They tiptoed in, their breaths visible in the cold air, careful not to disturb the slumbering bear. Her peaceful snores were a gentle rumble, a comforting presence amidst the storm outside. The animals, grateful for the warmth of the cave, quickly became engaged in cozy camaraderie. Rabbit hopped around, organizing a small potluck with shared snacks brought tucked under fur and feathers. Squirrel chattered incessantly, amusing others with tales of summer escapades. Fox, ever the trickster, shared mysterious riddles, while Owl oversaw the frivolity with wise anecdotes. As laughter and stories filled the cave, they remained blissfully unaware that Bear, though asleep, was having dreams of whimsical grandeur. Her dreams were filled with colorful ballets of swirling leaves, stars melding into spectacular fireworks, and clouds that turned into soft marshmallow paradises. Unbeknownst to the merry band of animals, they had unknowingly become part of Bear's dreams. Through Bear's deep slumber, the dream world would spill over with laughter echoing from the cave, colors bursting like fireworks, and riddles materializing into enchanting paths in a snowy wonderland. Bear slept soundly, comforting warmth enveloping her, her dreams dancing to the harmony concocted by her guests' laughter and joy. As the storm subsided, the animals said quiet adieus, promising to return when spring unfolded. They had discovered not only the cozy warmth of friendship, but also the unanticipated magic of a shared evening adventure. Bear continued to sleep until spring, never knowing the party she unwittingly hosted while her dreams created a bridge between reality and imagination. When she awoke to the greening forest and chirping birds, she stretched contentedly, feeling unusually happy, as though her dreams had whispered secrets of warmth from those who had shared her sanctuary. Maybe deep down, she sensed the magic after all.